Dude, if you have 9 lives to spare, then walk this way to get back in the saddle and experience some sweet emotions as we ride the rockinest coaster Disney World has to offer. This video is a full ride-through of Roller Coaster Starring Aerosmith at Hollywood Studios in Walt Disney World in Orlando, Florida. This video was recorded just a few weeks before the ride was scheduled to close for a several months-long refurbishment during the first half of 2023. We were excited to get one last ride and are excited you decided to come along. Do you love Disney World as much as I do? Then you're going to want to check out our recent ride-through of Splash Mountain at Magic Kingdom, filmed shortly before the attraction was scheduled to close forever. Check out the link in the description. Want to support this channel? Awesome! We'd love it if you would strike that like. Thank you so much. Have you noticed that the music on this attraction really rocks? That's no surprise considering that each ride vehicle train contains 120 speakers, including a subwoofer underneath every rider's seat. What do you expect me to do, send all of you with Aerosmith? Wait a minute, I love that idea. How about some backstage passes? Alright! Now join the Disney rabbit hole as we race along the darkened freeways of Los Angeles in a super stretch limo to the rockin' tunes of Aerosmith.
Hey, don't mind us. We'll be finished in just a minute.
Hey, what are you guys still doing here? You're supposed to be at a show now.
I'd like to introduce our local manager.
Yeah, she's usually not like this. She's usually worse.
I heard that. Where is my limo? Good. Okay, come on, guys. Please, get in the car. Sorry, folks. We gotta go.
Chris, can you grab my black Les Paul?
Hey, wait a minute. We can't leave these people here like this.
We can't?
No.
Come on, you know how we feel about our fans.
Yeah, that's right.
Well, guys, what do you expect me to do? Send them all with you?
Wait a minute. I love that idea. How about some backstage passes?
Yeah.
Come on, make it happen. Come on.
Okay, I'll make it happen. Now get out of here. I hate all of you. Hi, Sally, it's me. Listen, I'm gonna need a bigger car. Make it a stretch. In fact, make it a super stretch. Great. Excuse me. Okay, folks, look, the show is all the way across town, but I got you a really fast car. Okay, wait, it's out in the alley.
night, thieves. Exit to your right. We'll see you next tour.